Hey YouTubers, so today I will be doing an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. So let's go ahead and jump in and let's open this up and see what we got inside. As you can see, this is the Tab S7 Plus and I got the 5G version. So while I'm opening this up, let's go over some of the specs for this particular tablet. So this is, like I said, the S7 Plus edition, and it is 5G. And since it's the S7 Plus, it's also the 12.4 edition, or 12.4 inch Super AMO LED screen, and has 120 Hertz refresh rate. The resolution on this is 2800 by 1752, and it's got HDR10 plus. The physical dimensions of this tablet, it's 11.22 inches wide, 7.28 inches, I guess you can say tall, and the thickness is 0.22 inches. Let's see, here's the tablet. Got my SIM card for it. Got the wall charger. Here's the S Pen. Here is the little tool in order to take out the micro SD card slot and SIM card. And you got your USB-C cable. That looks to be it. So this tablet has the 10,090 milliamp hour battery, and this particular model that I have here, it's the 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. You can also get this 5G version, the S7 Plus version, with 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage, or 512 gigabytes of storage. You can add external micro SD cards on with this tablet, and it can handle up to one terabyte cards. So that'll definitely handle all the storage needs that I have. The processor for this S7 Plus is the Qualcomm SDM865 Plus octa-core, and it has Bluetooth version 5.0, Wi-Fi 6, and like I said, this model is the 5G variant. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the tablet itself. And also to mention, for those of you that like playing games, this tablet does have cloud gaming with the Xbox Gaming Pass, so you can play some of your Xbox games on your tablet. Now this tablet, just like some of their higher end phones like the Notes and the S series, this does come with the in-screen fingerprint sensor, which will be about right in this area right here. In addition to the fingerprint sensors, this tablet also comes with the following sensors built in. It's got an accelerometer, a gyro, proximity, compass, and even though it's not a sensor, this one does also work with Samsung DeX. And as I mentioned, like the previous tablets before it, this tablet comes with the S Pen. And this is it right here. One thing I don't like about the S Pen with these tablets, or at least everything with the Tab S2 and up, you can't put the S Pen inside the tablet. The first one you could, after that you can't. You just stick it off to the side somewhere. The other ones have the keyboards, the keyboard covers will have a spot for you to put your S Pen. This one doesn't, so it's got the little indention in the back. Or I guess it's not an indention anymore, but you're supposed to be able to, yep. So it's got a magnetic spot for it here to hold it, which is fine, but still, I mean, it kind of detracts from it. So looking here back on the back again, as you can see, it's got two cameras here. So the top camera, it's a 5 megapixel with a f-stop of 2.2 ultra wide lens. And the second camera is a 13 megapixel with an f-stop of 2.0, and it's a wide angle camera. The rear camera is capable of recording in 4K at 30 frames per second. Some of the features of the camera, the rear camera at least, it's got a single take mode, it's got night mode, it has a night hyperlapse, front and back conversion recording, scene optimizer, and AR doodle. And we go ahead and look at the top. So right here is your power button. This one right here is going to be your volume rocker, and down here is where you're gonna use that little tool that I showed you earlier. This tool, you'll use that to pop in the little hole here, so you can take this out, and this is where you would put your micro SD card. And if you've got the 5G capable tablet, this is where you also put your nano SIM card. Now if you look on the sides of the tablets, I don't know how well you can see it, but you got a speaker here, speaker right here, and we look on this side, we've got a speaker here and a speaker here, and then you also have your, let's See, this is the USB Type-C 3.2 port. Now these speakers, like you just noticed, there's 4 speakers on it, so it's quad speakers. And these quad speakers are tuned by AKG, and it has Dolby Atmos surround sound. Now if you look on the bottom, right here you've got the magnetic connector for the optional keyboard. Yeah, it looks like I've probably got about half battery life. This is showing how to power it off. You would actually press your power button and the lower rocker at the same time if you need to force power it off. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, this is just simply the unboxing of it. Hope you guys have a great day and you guys stay safe out there.